CompTIA A plus Core 1 Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 2.3. Summarize services provided by networked hosts. Legacy and Embedded Systems. Let's begin this video segment by defining what a legacy system is. In the realm of IT, a legacy system refers to outdated computer systems, software, or technology that is still in use, despite newer versions being available. These systems are often critical to an organization's daily operations, making upgrading or replacing them a complex, risky, or costly endeavor. They may lack support, updates, or compatibility with newer technologies, which can pose challenges in terms of security and efficiency. However, their continued use is usually due to the system's pivotal role in specific business processes or the high cost and effort required for an upgrade. Now, let's shift our focus to embedded systems. An embedded system is a specialized computing system that performs dedicated functions. Unlike a general-purpose computer, an embedded system performs specific tasks and is designed with a very specific set of requirements. These systems are ubiquitous in everyday life, found in devices like microwaves, traffic lights, and thermostats. They are known for being highly reliable, efficient, and optimized for their particular application, often running for years without the need for intervention. Finally, to keep in step with the CompTIA A plus Core 1 exam objectives, let's discuss how these concepts apply to SCADA systems. SCADA, or Supervisory Control and Data Acquisition Systems, are designed to monitor and control industrial environments. These systems often rely on a combination of legacy and embedded systems. Legacy systems are common in SCADA environments due to the longevity and stability required in critical infrastructures like power plants or water treatment facilities. Embedded systems, on the other hand, are used within SCADA for specific control tasks, like regulating the pressure in pipelines or maintaining temperatures in industrial processes. Their reliability and efficiency make embedded systems ideal for these critical control functions. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.